Hello, everyone. My name is Odemene Juliet Ugochi. I'm from Nigeria. With me is my team member, Ms. Gwana Tasso Anin from Ethiopian. Okay, we have a debate topic on should genetic engineering be used to create a universal vaccine? And we are on the negative team. Next. Introduction. Genetic engineering refers to the direct manipulation of an organism's but genetic engineering is unpredictable and dangerous. Bordering the application of it only furthers the risk. The availability of genomic information and genetic engineering technology creates a later threat to humanity because terrorists can use both the information and technology to recreate deadly pathogens such as poliovirus. Next. Opening statements. Universal vaccines are vaccines designed to provide long-term protection against the strain or variant of disease such as influenza or coronaviruses. Now, imagine a world where genetic engineering is used to create universal vaccines. That means we risk becoming over-dependent on a single vaccine, creating a false sense of safety. We all know that viruses mutate, so putting all our trust in one engineer solution is risky and short-sighted. Genetic engineers can make deadly pathogens such as Y. persis, which we know as black plague, resistant to modern antibiotics, and this pathogen could kill innocent people if used as a weapon. Next. Next. Constructive arguments. Number one, genetic engineering poses unpredictable risks to vaccine effectiveness. While genetic engineering may aim to enhance vaccines, it also introduces biological uncertainty. The human immune system is highly variable across populations. Genetically engineered vaccines may work in one region and fail in another region or worse, and it triggered unintended immune reactions. We can get that in Nature Biotechnology 2023. Number two, we have speed should not come at the expense of safety. Quickly, engineered vaccine may lack insufficient long-term testing, leading to dangerous side effects or further complications. So, rushing tech into public use has backfired before, like the thalidomide case. Genetic vaccines are powerful, but their effects might not fully surface for years. Next. Number three, we have genetic engineering may worsen global health inequality. Affirmative claims about equity ignores reality. Gene-edited vaccine required advanced infrastructure, cold chains, and funding that many low-income countries lack. The result is the rich nation get access first, while the poor region waits, widening the global gap in health outcome. We can get that in World Health Organization 2021b. Number four, we have scientific feasibility does not guarantee ethical or safe outcomes. Yes, genetic engineering is possible, but it's also misusable. CRISPR, we all know CRISPR for example. CRISPR can be weaponized or poorly regulated. Scientific tools require strict global framework, which currently do not exist for gene-edited vaccines. Next. Number 5, truth ethical responsibilities means restaurants and long-term thinking. Ethics is not just about saving lives today, it's about protecting future generations. Using powerful genetic tools without consensus, transparency and safety framework is reckless. Ethics demands precaution, consent and fairness, not just innovation. We present a realistic and responsible opinion. Genetic engineering may offer potential but it's risky. Inequalities and unknown are too great to justify widespread use in universal vaccines, especially without vigorous safeguard, oversight and global access. Next, rebuttal. Number 1, we have genetic engineering improves precision, safety and reduces unintended consequences. Precision does not equal predictability. While tools like CRISPR offer better targeting, unintended off-target effects still occur, sometimes with serious consequences. Long-term safety is not guaranteed, especially in diverse populations with varied immune responses. We can get that in Nature Biotechnology 2023. Off-target mutation remains a concern in gene-edited therapy. Immune response to engineered vaccine vary by genetics. Next. Number 2, we have rigorous testing ensures safety. mRNA vaccine proves safety of genetic approaches. mRNA vaccines are not genetic engineering in the same way. They do not alter DNA or genomes. Unlike some gene-edited vaccines, using mRNA as a proof of genome editing safety is misleading. Also, even mRNA vaccine had rare but serious side effects. For example, we have myocarditis in young men. Then the World Health Organization reports in 2021 that mRNA vaccines show safety but not without complication. We have ethical concern grow when gene edited move beyond mRNA to RNA modifying methods. We have Bailey's and Roberts 2021. We can get that from there. Next. Number 3, engineering low-term cost and reduces vaccine type needed. That is highly speculative. Gene editing technologies are expensive, patented and often monopolized by a few companies. Initial and ongoing R&D, storages and distribution costs will keep price high, especially for low-income countries. Access to biotech and unequal and costs are prohibitive in global south. Advanced vaccines do not reach poor nations without major aid or subsidies. Next. Preventing suffering is the highest ethical obligation. That's true, but rushing untested or irreversible technology can cause suffering. Ethics demands not only action, but caution. We have seen when unintentional tech go wrong. This ethical part is thorough testing, transparency, and protecting human integrity. The casting center, the ethics include respecting limits and unknown, rush solution without full knowledge, lead to before. The negative team believes science must be accountable, inclusive, and ethical. Genetic engineering may offer without strict global oversight and long-term trials. It risks more than it promises. Next. Closing statement. Okay, we, the negative team, our closing statement is genetic engineering hold promises for universal vaccine, but thorough evaluation of risks is essential. Transparency, safety, and equitable access must be developed. Next, our question and answer. Okay, we are open for questions and answer from our opponents. Next, reference. These are the references that guided us all through our research work on this topic. Thank you.